About 4 years after the original FAQs were issued for the employee retention credit, we finally received guidance as to how to treat the 280C adjustment. This is really important because there's a lot of debate out there as to whether or not companies should be filing protective refund claims. Practitioners and taxpayers were really having trouble, grasping as to how to properly handle it. But because of the delays, a lot of practitioners were saying, hey, I'm not filing an amended income tax return until my client actually has the refund check, the ERC check in hand. The IRS on March 20th, 2025 came out and added to their FAQs. And essentially what they're saying is, if you have not received your ERC claim yet, rather than filing an amended return for 2020 or 2021, you can now go and when you receive that ERC refund, you can go and take it into taxable income in the year of receipt. Now, with that being said, it also doesn't address what happens if you've had a change of ownership, what happens if the company has gone out of business and filed. The IRS went further and said, hey, if you went and claimed the 280C adjustment on your return for what you anticipated the refund to be, and it is later denied for the amount that you reduced your wage expense in that year, the IRS is letting you go now and take additional expense in the year that your claim has been denied and all appeals and whatnot have been exhausted. So this is great news. I've had CPAs, I've had taxpayers ask me if they should be filing a protective refund claim. There's no need to anymore. Income added in the year of receipt when we receive our ERC refund check, or in the event that we've made the 280C adjustment but had not yet received the refund, we take a deduction in the year in which the claim is finally denied and settled. So this is going to make it a whole lot easier. This is going to take away a lot of the uncertainty. People aren't going to need to rush now to file their protective refund claim. Well, a lot of times the CPA was not the one who prepared the ERC claim. Okay, so they were out of it. Now they have the guidance that they need. This is 4 years after the FAQs were originally issued. That said, it better late than never. This gives us some clarity and some guidance as we move forward.